So the first part of what I would like you to try is doing a review. Go to a 5 minute part of one of your last lives on TikTok. You can watch the lives back. On Whatnot, you can you can go back to your past lives and watch it. Otherwise, record yourself doing it, pretending you're live, and it'll be a bit more awkward because you'll be making rubbish up. But record yourself for 5 minutes. Only look at the 5 minute period. Now, the first part of it, what you do is you turn the volume all the way up so you can hear it nice and clear, and then you turn your phone over so you can't see it, and put a timer on for 5 minutes, whatever, or only record for 5 minutes. Once you've listen back to, am I making a lot of pauses? Am I stuttering? Am I saying am I doing lots of ums and ahs? Is it interesting to listen to? If all I could do was listen, you're in the background, somebody's cooking the dinner, if all they're doing listening, is there loads of pauses? Is there loads of gaps? Is there loads of things in there that you could improve? And if so, this is where you write your notes down. You've got 5 minutes, write some notes. Oh yeah, I did this, and I did this, and I did this, and I did this. And if you can do this once a month, I would recommend doing it once a month. If you can do it once a month, man, the amount of the amount of progress you'll make will be through the roof, especially if you've never done this before. It's awkward especially if you're making the video just so that you can listen back to it. You're aware of it, right? It's better if you're not, but if you are, there will definitely be things in there you can change. So listen to the tone of the voice, how quickly you're speaking, how many pauses, how many changes, how engaging it is, if all you can do is hear, what is this person talking about? Like, are you trying to sell to people? Are you trying to build a community? What is the goal of this 5 minute period? I think it's really, really interesting. It's awkward. It's uncomfortable, but you will become so much better if you do it. I promise.